Good morning, students. First of all, you all are welcome in your new class in class 5. Today I am here to start your first chapter in English textbook. Before watching this video, I would like to suggest you please read this chapter line by line carefully and write all the hard words with their meaning in your notebook.
Now we start the chapter. In this chapter, there is a story of a brave girl named Nisa Singh. She was a daughter of King Daulat Singh. At the time of emergency, she fought bravely, disguising herself as a soldier, Sher Bahadur. That's why the title of this chapter is Princess Nisa versus Sher Bahadur, because both are only one character. Before starting this chapter, I want to make you clear the meanings of some hard words. The first one is warrior. The first word is warrior. Soldier or a person experienced in warfare means such a person who has good experience, good expertise for battle, to conquer a battle. That person is called a warrior. Next word is invade. Invade means forcefully enter to occupy. Forcefully enter to occupy means to occupy an area or region forcefully. After fighting, after battle with someone, if anyone occupy a region, occupy an area, that very area will be called invaded area. Invade means forcefully enter to occupy. Next is ride away. Ride away means go away on a horse or bicycle or etc. Ride away means go away on a horse, bicycle, etc. Next word is fiercely. Fiercely, it's an adjective. It means very strong. Fiercely means very strong. Now conflict. A serious disagreement, dispute. A serious disagreement or dispute means disagreement or sahmati between two person or two parties raises conflicts, vivad. Okay. Next, drive away. Drive away. Forcefully to make someone go away. Forcefully to make someone go away means we can say that to force to leave or go anyone. Go away anyone. Next word is pretend. Next word is pretend. Pretend to give a false appearance means disguising, means making excuses. Pretend. Next, arrogant. Next word is arrogant means unpleasantly proud oneself, means unpleasantly proud and behaving as if he or she is more important. In Hindi, abhimani, arrogant, proud person. Next, raw across. Next is a phrasal verb, raw across. To cross the river using a boat. Raw across means to cross the river using a boat. Next word is captive. Next word is captive. Captive means captured or arrested, one who can't escape. Means one person who captured or arrested, who doesn't allow to go out or escape. Means that very person will be called captive person. Now, in the first page of this chapter, you will find you are looking a picture having half part woman and half part man. Means it shows that half part shows characteristics of appearance of Nisa Singh, Princess Nisa, and half part, the male part, shows the appearance of Sher Bahadur. Alongside, there are some words given here, like princess, bangles, and some long hair, mustache, soldier, red lips, commander, sari, beautiful, strong, brave. Now you have to separate these words in particular column. Suppose I'm taking an example. Princess. Obviously, it belongs to Nisa Singh. That's why princess will come under the column Nisa Singh. Now I am taking the next word, handsome. Handsome is used with the masculine gender. So handsome will come under the column of Sher Bahadur. Similarly, you have to complete this before starting the story. Yes. Now we come to the story. A long time ago, in the state of Rajasthan. Where? In the state of Rajasthan. It is situated in the western part of our country, Rajasthan. You know, Rajasthan. There lived King Daulat Singh. Who was the king? Daulat Singh. He was a brave warrior too. Means he was well experienced, well expertise in warship. We can say that in fighting against enemies, fighting in a battle. He was well expertise in fighting a battle or in warfare. Once he won the battle, but he was tired and injured. But he was tired and injured. Means after a battle, which he conquered. After the battle, after the war, he was injured. Means physically, we can say that physically damaged some part of their body, and tired also. King Daulat Singh returned to his palace. After the battle, he came to his palace. Though he was tired and injured. After the battle, he was tired and injured. He never lost an opportunity to train his daughter, Princess Nisa Singh. Whatever time he got, he utilized his time to train his daughter, Princess Nisa Singh. Whatever time he got, he used that time to train his daughter Princess Nisa Singh. He wanted her to become a strong, brave girl. Why? Why did Dala Singh always, or whatever time he got to train his daughter Princess Nisa Singh? Because he wanted her to become a strong and brave girl. One day, news came that Mughal enemy means Dushman. One day, news came that the Mughal enemy was about to invade the state. Invade means to occupy the state after a battle. Invade means to occupy the state after battle. One day, news came. News means news. Came that the Mughal enemy was about to invade the state. The king sent his message to the public. King sent his message to the public. What was the message? Look at the picture. The terrible means khatarnak. The terrible Qadir Khan. Who? Qadir Khan is here again. He is here again. His army is wreaking havoc on our northern borders. Wreaking means crossing the border forcefully. Wreaking means crossing the border or forcefully, northern border. The king needs you. The king needs you. Means your help, your support. He has ordered one able man from every family to join the royal army. He ordered that one person from every family of his state, one person from every family of his state to join the army. Why? Because Qadir Khan was about to invade his state. So he ordered his subjects to join in army for making his army strong, so that he was able to win the battle against Qadir Khan. Next, Princess Nisa Singh realized that her father was too old and tired to fight another battle. What Nisa Singh realized? She felt that her father was too old, because Daulat Singh was old king, and tired because recently he came from a battle. So he was tired also. Her brother was too young. Because the son of Daulat Singh was young. Okay, whereas Nisa Singh was elder daughter. In the quiet darkness of the night, means at night, she put on a male soldier's uniform. What did she do? She put on a male soldier's uniform and rode away to her father's trusted horse. What did she do? She put on means she wore a male soldier's uniform and rode away on her father's trusted horse. As you know, from history or from many stories, that each king or royal man has at least one horse, means trusted horse, like Chetak. It is the name of a horse who was trusted horse of trusted horse of what was the name of Prithviraj Chauhan, Chetak. Okay. Next, same way, it was a horse, trusted horse, on which C, who Nisa Singh rode away. In which uniform? In a male soldier's uniform. Okay. Next, at the army training camp, where she went? She went to army training camp. Sher Bahadur practiced with trained soldiers. Who became the Sher Bahadur? Nisa Singh. After wearing the male soldier, wearing a male soldier uniform, she became what? She became Sher Bahadur. And where she practiced with trained soldiers. Where? At army training camp. With on his father's trusted horse, where she went? She went at the army training camp, and there she become what? Sher Bahadur, because she put on a male soldier's uniform, and practiced with trained soldiers there. Where? At the army training camp. I have never practiced with any other than my father. See, she is telling here that she had never practiced with any other than her father, because her father only whenever got time used to practice, used to train her. As I told you earlier, I have to be as good as these soldiers. She decides in herself that before that I never fought or never practiced with other than her father. So she decides in herself that she should be as good as these soldiers. After a week, Sher Bahadur's efforts were rewarded. Sher Bahadur's efforts were rewarded, means given praised. Rewarded means praised. Okay, he rewarded. It means she was given praise. She was given some trophy, medals, etc. He was appointed as second in command by the commanding officer. She was, here we are using he, but actually she was a girl, that's why I'm in the middle telling she was appointed as second in command by the commanding officer. He is after observing her efforts, she was appointed as second in command, means it's a second higher rank by the commanding officer. At the palace, the princess took off her male dress. What she did? What she used to do? She used to take off her male dress at the palace. Okay, at night, she again wore Sher Bahadur's uniform. In daytime, she took off her male dress. and at night she again wore or put on Sher Bahadur's uniform. One night, the Mughal soldiers attacked the camp suddenly. What happened? One night, the Mughal soldiers means Qadir Khan's soldier, who was about to invade the state, One night, the Mughal soldiers attacked the camp suddenly. Mughal soldiers means soldiers of Qadir Khan who were about to invade the state. Sher Bahadur fought fiercely to defend the camp. Sher Bahadur fought fiercely, very strong. Fiercely means very strong to defend the camp. Defend means to save. To save the camp. Soon the commander-in-chief and others joined in. When she was fiercely defending the camp, then other soldiers, including commander-in-chief, joined in. He praised Sher Bahadur. See in the picture, the commander-in-chief is telling, "Well done, Sher Bahadur, you fought bravely. It seems that Qadir Khan has come very close." It seems that, ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा प्रतीत होता है, Qadir Khan has come very close. In the fierce conflict, Mughal soldiers were driven away. Driven away means to force to leave or go away. Okay, driven away means in the fierce conflict, strong conflict, Mughal soldiers were driven away. Mughal soldiers were forcefully allowed to leave or go away. After 2 weeks, Qadir Khan's battalions attacked a fort guarded by the commander-in-chief, where his soldiers fought bravely. Again, after 2 weeks, Qadir Khan's battalions means group of soldiers. Attacked a fort guarded by the commander-in-chief, where his soldiers fought bravely. No doubt, soldiers fought bravely. He sent a soldier back to the camp. One soldier from the fort sent back to the camp. Where? Army training camp. Okay. After 2 weeks, Qadir Khan's battalions is group of soldiers, attacked a fort. Fort means officials of king's royal family, royal king's kingdom, we can say that, officials of the state stay. That very place is called fort, guarded by the commander-in-chief. He sent a soldier back to the camp. Who? Commander-in-chief sent a soldier to back to the camp. Back to the camp, it means at training camp. At the camp, look at the picture. Soldier, I want you to run as fast as you can to base camp. Ask Sher Bahadur. To whom? Ask Sher Bahadur to send us more ammunitions and supplies. To fight against enemies or in a battle, soldiers need a lots of ammunitions and supplies. Ammunitions means equipments or things used in battle. Ammunitions means instruments or things used in battle. Okay, ammunitions and supplies means food items, dress for soldiers, and water, etc. Okay, ammunitions and supplies. At the base camp, at the base camp, at the base camp, soldiers came to the base camp. Take these supplies to the commander. Follow the instructions. Be very cautious and protect it well. Sher Bahadur told a soldier, take these supplies. What? Ammunitions and other supplies. And be cautious and protect it well. Okay. Cautious means sachet. Protect means save. On the way, Qadir Khan's soldiers looted the supplies. Supplies means ammunitions and other necessary things which were sent to the fort. Okay. But on the way, Qadir Khan's soldiers looted the supplies. Next, one of the Sher Bahadur's commander came back to the base camp and informed about the event to Sher Bahadur. He told, the enemy looted all the supplies. Enemy looted all the supplies. Sher Bahadur, we underestimated the enemy. हमने enemy को underestimate कर लिया था, उसको कम आका था. Let us get our supplies back. Let us get our supplies back. Those supplies, those things which were looted by the soldiers of the Qadir Khans. Now, Sher Bahadur says, let us get our supplies back back from Qadir Khan's soldier. Commander-in-chief is waiting for them. Commander-in-chief who was at fort waiting for the supplies and ammunitions. Next day, at Qadir Khan's camp, where at the Qadir Khan's camp, he was enjoying a girl's dance. He was enjoying a girl's dance. For what? Because he and his soldiers looted the ammunitions and supplies of the king. Sher Bahadur has a very beautiful dance, well done, saying the Qadir Khan. Sher Bahadur, one informer, one of his guard came near the Qadir Khan and says, Sher Bahadur has come to surrender. Sher Bahadur has come to surrender. Sher Bahadur has come to surrender means Sher Bahadur यहाँ surrender करना है. Sher Bahadur pretend to surrender. Sher Bahadur pretend to surrender. Sher Bahadur means pretend to surrender means actually he was not surrendering himself, but he was disguising, he was making excuses to be surrendered. Sher Bahadur says to the Qadir Khan, Your Majesty, I have come to surrender. I have come to surrender. I will be punished for this huge loss. I will be punished for this huge loss. What was the huge loss? Those ammunitions and supplies which were sent to the commander-in-chief. Please protect me. Please protect me. I will be loyal to you. मैं आपका आभारी रहूँगा. Please protect me. I will be loyal to you. Here, Sher Bahadur says to Qadir Khan, the loss which have taken place last night, for that I will be punished. For that I will be punished. Qadir Khan did not believe Sher Bahadur, so he decided to test him. Okay, whether he was surrendering really or not, or he was making an excuses. So he decided to test him and asked to Sher Bahadur, "Fine, bring me the entire stock of supplies from your base camp now." He said to Sher Bahadur, "Go and bring all the supplies from your base camp." Then Sher Bahadur said, "Okay, I will prove it. Okay, I will prove it." The next day, Sher Bahadur arrived with the first load of fodder and food. Fodder and food loaded on the boats. Next day, Sher Bahadur came where? To Kadir Khan with first load of fodder and food. Fodder and food loaded on boats. ओके, बोट्स से सारा जितना भी उसके बेस कैंप का था वो लेके आया. बट सर, माई मेन आर शिपिंग द रेस्ट ऑफ सप्लाईज अक्रॉस द रिवर. Sher Bahadur told to the Kadir Khan, "This is the first load, means first boat, but rest were coming by our men, but the supply was not delivered even after 4 hours." Kadir Khan lost patience and got angry. Kadir Khan lost patience and got angry. What happened? Sher Bahadur told that this is a first load of fodder and food. Rest was coming. Rest was coming. Okay, rest was coming with my men, but even after 4 hours, supply was not came. Supply was not came, not delivered. That's why Kadir Khan lost patience and got angry. Okay, he waited for 4 hours. After that, he got angry, lost patience and got angry. Now, Sher Bahadur, "Sir, why don't you come to the river yourself? Why don't you come to the river yourself? Okay, probably I am not as commanding leader as you. They will surely obey you." Sher Bahadur asked to Kadir Khan, "Why don't you come to the river yourself? आप खुद रिवर के पास क्यों नहीं चलते हैं?" Probably means शायद. Probably I am not as commanding leader as you. Means as you are better, as you have better commanding ability, I don't have. Okay, so if you will go to the river, surely they will obey you, they will follow you. Arrogant Kadir Khan believed Sher Bahadur's word. This time, arrogant, one word is over here. Arrogant means abhimani. Arrogant Kadir Khan believed Sher Bahadur's words. Whatever told by Sher Bahadur, this time Kadir Khan believed. With some soldiers, he rowed across the river. With some soldiers, he rowed across. Rowed across means cross the river. Cross the river with some soldiers. Sher Bahadur's soldiers were hiding among the supplies bag. Sher Bahadur's soldiers were hiding among the supplies bags. Means those supply bags which were to come for Kadir Khan, Sher Bahadur's soldiers were hiding among the supply bags. Suddenly Sher Bahadur shouted, "What? Attack!" Kadir Khan and his men were surrounded by Sher Bahadur's soldiers. As soon as Sher Bahadur shouted attack, his soldiers surrounded Qadir Khan and his men, his soldiers. Now see in the picture, Qadir Khan said, "You cheat." Then Sher Bahadur told, "Sir, I'm nothing compared to you. No, I'm nothing compared to you." Means आप जितना बड़े चीटर है उससे उतना बड़ा मैं नहीं हूँ. आई एम नथिंग कंपेयर टू यू. द कमांडर इन चीफ ऑल्सो रीच द साइट. कमांडर इन चीफ ऑल्सो रीच द साइट. Soldiers carried the captives and the supplies back to the base camp. What soldiers did? They carried the captives. Captives means Qadir Khan and his soldiers. Captive means captured or arrested. Who can't escape. बंदी जिसको हिंदी में बोलेंगे. Soldiers carried the captives and supplies back to the base camp. सारे को कहाँ ले गए? Base camp ले गए. At the court of the King Daulat Singh. Put him behind the bar. Behind the bars means jail. Behind the bars means jail के अंदर. Put him behind the bars. Behind the bars का मतलब जेल के अंदर. King Daulat Singh praised Sher Bahadur. See in the picture. Very good, Sher Bahadur. You did a fantastic job. Now Sher Bahadur, it was my duty, sir. Sher Bahadur reached the palace, changed back to Princess Nisa again. What Sher Bahadur did? Came back to the palace and changed his dress and once again became Princess Nisa Singh again.
In this way, you have read this story, and now it is time to solve the exercise. Before solving the exercise, once again I am suggesting you to read this chapter. After completion the exercise, submit the copy in the school. Thank you.